Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview AR-PRO Pool Light Gasket Screws with washers. Easily replace worn out, stripped, broken or lost Pentair Pool Light pilot screws without feeling defeated over the high cost. Get the most out your money with replacement parts that are dependable, durable, and cost-effective. These screws perfectly fit on the screw holes on Pentair's Pool Light niches. This product is also more resistant to pool water chemicals and pH. These screws aren't just for mounting, they serve as grounding paths directly to the grounding block. The captive gum washers can provide a secure hold for the screw during disassembly and a cushion over the tension in the ring assembly. Features: high quality and durable screws. Exact replacement Pentair Pool Light parts. Compatible with other Pentair Light System models. Read the instructions before installation and use. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.